Hey guys, we're back at SSP. My girlfriend's car, she's complaining about stickers on the back, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove stickers off any glass. Take a razor blade, and you don't want to do this to it, you'll scratch the glass. You want to take it flat-wise like this and literally just scrape away at when you guys are doing this, make sure you get a fresh blade. If you get an old one, you're gonna ruin your glass. Make sure you get a fresh blade so everything comes out clean. Do not do this to paint. It will ruin your car, your paint job. I don't think it will ruin your car. You ruin the paint job. Very simple. It'll be done on windshields. It doesn't have to be stickers. It could be overspray. It could be anything you don't want on the window. You could do this to it. Hold it at like a 45-degree angle. The flatter the better. Don't do this. You'll do that. So keep it like this so you can clean the glass for whatever markings you may have on the glass. Alright, that's it.